Yo guys, it's your boy Jermes back here one more time with another video, and today finally Lego has made a Lego Creator Expert set of the Porsche 911, the classic ones. Specifically a Porsche 911 Turbo and Targa, which you can alternate in between. And what can I say? I have been waiting for this type of set for quite some times, and it looks absolutely amazing. I can't even believe it. Obviously, this set is 18 plus. It has 1,458 pieces and is going to cost £119, and it's going to be released on the 1st of March 2021, and I can't wait for it. Also, this Porsche 911 is going to have a nice flat 6 engine in the back, a working steering wheel, a gear stick, and you can open the doors, the hood, the trunk, and the roof, which is all awesome. This set actually reminds me of a classic Porsche 911 Emotion mock that I wanted to build in the past using Rebrickable, and it was made by a person named BuildMe, and he had like 1,708 pieces. And I was so close to actually buying the instructions for it, but at the end I heard people saying that it had a weak structure and it was only for display only and not for anything else, but it was a nice build. Regardless, Lego is now releasing their own version of it, and I hope it's quite good, and there is quite a high chance that I need to buy this, because, you know, it's a must. And what about you guys? Any Porsche fans here? And are you guys thinking of buying this set too? Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon with another video. So until then, adios!